Hello and welcome everyone out there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw 60 degree using a compass within just 1 minute. So just watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest updates every other weekend. At first, draw the baseline using a ruler, taking any measurement like this. Then mark the line as OB like this. Now take a compass and using it take a radius of half of the baseline in approx or less. Now take the compass and place it on the point O and draw the arc like this. Then place it again on the cutting point with the line that is here, and then draw the arc again, taking the same radius from the cutting point to intersect with the first arc. Now join the last intersection point with O using a ruler like this. But before drawing the line, make sure the ruler is perfectly placed on those 2 points. Now drag the line like this. After that, level the end point as A. So here we complete the angle drawing arrows at the end. Therefore, it should be our desired angle, that is angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Let's check the measure of the angle using a protractor. For that, place the protractor's zero line matching with the baseline OB. Now see the measurement, it is perfectly 60 degree. Hopefully you will be able to draw now. For more contents like this, please check out the end screen videos and the description box. At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel and press the like button to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.